Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. Welcome back to it. My name is Silynthia and my mom is trying to get her family to financial freedom. Today we're going to work on stuffing our Freebie Fridays. This will be the last cash stuffing for this particular set of savings challenges because this money is going to my birthday. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do. At this moment, I'm leaning between like going out to eat and maybe go to the bingo hall or to get my hair braided. So for those of you who are not up to date, I actually had the money to get my hair braided, but then my children said, hey, can we get professional haircuts? And I don't know if you've taken your sons to get professional haircuts in a while, but it's not cheap. I was even thinking, I don't know how it would be something I can sustain. I've got to work through my budget and I've got to figure out how I can actually start really working on some sinking funds because self-care definitely needs to be a part of our routine, especially because they're getting older and they don't want to just sit in my bathroom or dining room and have me cut their hair. They're like, can we get professional cuts? So I'm going to work on that. But in the meantime, this money is for my birthday. I don't know what I'm going to do with it at this point. The only thing I want to do is try to see if I can go ahead and get these bills into these envelopes, do a final count, and then I'm going to go spend this money. Anyway, let's see here. We've got 6 savings challenges, and I kind of want to keep them in order just because each savings challenge has a envelope with the cash that goes with the savings challenge. So all of these savings challenges are freebies, hence Freebie Friday. They are in my Ko-Fi shop. These are actually under the Silynthia budgets listing, and there's a ton. It would allow 20, so I did put as many as I could. I have plenty more, but I just said, oh my goodness, that's a lot of me. That is a lot of me. I'll set this here and then we will grab our dice and our marker. I'm not certain that I'm going to finish any of these savings challenges. If I don't, that's okay. We're just going to count it up. Whatever I have is what I have. And that's why I was saying I don't know what I'm going to do with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to roll the dice and see. Oh, no, just kidding. We have work to do first. So we have 20 bucks, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. I have $38 here that I need to get into these envelopes. But first off, we need to get some change because I'm not rolling it for a 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I don't think any of them are even close to 20, but we will roll and see what we can do. Let's see here. 5. This one has 3, 6, I think 7. Let's see. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think we will leave a $5 spicy like we did last Friday. I kind of enjoyed that, but we are going to have to try to split up this $20 bill at some point. And hopefully it goes well. We'll see. But we're just going to roll the dice and take a bill. Should we do 2 bills today? Let's do 2 bills. Let's do 2. Oh, 1. 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 1. One got the $5 spicy, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I don't have 20. Let me see. Okay, let me figure out how I am going to make this work. Be right back. Alright, so I took 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 from my bills binder, and I wrote out which envelopes I actually took it from so I can put it back. So I'm just going to set this off to the side so I can remember that that money is bill money. I'm going to put my bill binder back. Okay, so I think we kind of sorted through and figured out what we need. Let me see if I can break this 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can break one down. Ooh, that's a lot of money. Okay, and should we just continue on doing 2, and then we'll make change where we can? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just go on. 6, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and we have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, super exciting. 5, 1, 2. Come on, 3. You were the one that I was counting on finishing. 2, 1, 2. Come on, 3. Come on, 3. 6, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2. Okay. All right. So I'm not certain if that one needs that much money, but we're going to see. And we're going to set, well, we're going to have to leave it in order so that way I know which envelope it goes to. All right. So my 1981 cutie did get $10 today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's wonderful. We'll let it dry. Our next savings challenge is Billie Jean, which got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, so close. Now, I think if I would have gone another week or two, we probably could have taken care of and finished maybe one or 2, 3 of these savings challenges. But I have a time frame because my birthday is on Tuesday. I wanted to unstuff so I can be prepared to decide if I'm going to do something this weekend or wait until my actual birthday. So I have $2 for this savings challenge. This savings challenge needed 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's completed. We did complete a savings challenge. And we have some cash here. So I think what we're going to do is go ahead and complete number 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 2 savings challenges completed. Exciting. Very, very, very exciting. And we'll go ahead and add this $5 to this savings challenge. I think none of them actually needed exactly $5. So we'll just put it here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How wonderful. Okay. Now we just have to count up our totals for each savings challenge, and then we'll count it all up to see what the complete binder, Freebie Friday binder saved us. Let's see here. All right, so our first one saved us 15 bucks, 5, 10, 15. Maybe I should put it on the calculator so I'll know what I'm doing. All right, and then Billie Jean saved us. Oh my gosh, I'm smiling so hard because I know it's not a ton of money, but I was thinking, man, I'm not gonna be able to do anything for my birthday, and here we are counting up a little cash to decide. And if it has to go to braids, although it's not like a big celebration, I know that I'll feel better about it because these past couple of weeks I've been struggling with my hair. Anyway, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, okay, and this one, let's see here, was this right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Is that right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bucks. So we're gonna put this the extra $1 to another challenge. And this savings challenge saved us $5, 6, 7, $8. 3, 6, 9. Okay, that's where it was supposed to go, it looks like. I don't know what I did wrong, but now let's even. How wonderful. All right. Oh, I'm slacking. Okay, so no, this has 9, that's correct. And this one we completed today. Let's make sure it has what it's supposed to have. So exciting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, I wrote it on the back. It should be $17. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, and I stopped counting. Okay. That was plus 3, 6, 9, 12, plus 9, plus 17. Wait a minute. Oh, that's a big number. Oh, this might cover all of my braids if I get my hair braided. Because I got a little birthday discount this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's see if we have 19. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see. Oh. Let's get this cash. Now we'll count it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, there's 20 bucks right there. Let me make sure that was right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that way I can just take this 20 and put it back into my bills binder. 20 bucks there. My calculator says I have $90 sitting here in front of me. I'm not certain if that's true because I stopped counting. I am going to put more savings challenges in one of my binders, and I think I'm gonna save. I'm not certain if I'm gonna continue on with Freebie Friday. If you are interested in these savings challenges, they are freebies. There's no charge. Feel free to grab them and enjoy them. There are plenty of other savings challenges in my shop that have absolutely nothing to do with my face. But if you're interested in these, you know, by all means, feel free to grab them. I thought they ended up being cute, so. Okay, there's no way this is not $90. I may have miscounted because my calculator, I'll show you what I ended up with. It says 90 bucks. All right, so it really doesn't feel like $90, but I mean, it could be. Let's see, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. I saved $90. I saved $90. Oh my goodness. How amazing. I sometimes I don't give myself enough credit, even just for trying. And so for that, I'm patting myself on the back. I'm very, very excited about this. Now I just have to make a decision. What am I going to do? How am I going to do it? And when? I'll let you know what it ultimately ends up happening for me. But anybody still celebrating, whether your birthday is already passed or is coming in the month of August, happy birthday to you. I will see you all on Sunday. Thank you so much for coming back again. Thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And on Tuesday is my birthday, so if you want to run my playlist, happy birthday. Thank you guys so much in advance. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.